Oh ho, yo ho, a pirate's life for me. Entire lands, seeing goblins, orcs, and even crazy fans. Woo! Let's stop that. What is good, little babies? It is good to be back, and it is good to see your I was about to say delicious face, but cut it. Today's video is gonna be a review mixed with a style of, you know what it is, head wraps. So I've been going to the gym for a long time, and I've had long hair for about almost 4 years coming up here. And I've always ran into the problem of having stray away hairs because, like I've said in my other videos, if you've seen them, the hairstyle videos and even the washing routine, like I got a lot of hair videos, link will be in the description. I've always, even if I throw my hair back, whatever I will do, there's always strayaways, and those strayaways can tickle, they can mix with sweat and just be an annoyance, really. I've been searching for a head wrap and I could never find anything. And I didn't want to go to Walmart and buy one because then I'd look like a 12-year-old girl. Not because buying it at Walmart is a thing, but rather the selection there is, in essence, a 12-year-old girl. I went to Etsy and I found Eco Shag. Now, Eco Shag has been around for 7 years. They have been killing the game. They have 20,000 reviews, and I mean, like, they've sold to a lot of people. She sent me one in the mail and I rocked it for about 2 months now, and it's everything that I ever wanted. And this is where the review of the head wrap begins. Let's get it. I opened this up and I wore it right away to a wedding. Like, I was balls deep, you know, like I was going directly in for the kill. I was gonna get all the input I could that night. And I've only heard good things about this head wrap. But that's besides the point. This head wrap is made out of a stretchy, moderate stretchy, jersey-like material. So to a certain extent, it is breathable, but there's also, it's not super breathable. It's that good fine line to the middle. It's not wool and it's not fishnet. It's that middle. Going from there, it's double layered, so there's a lot of bang for your buck, you know? It feels like there's quality to it. It feels like quality because that double layered. And the stitching you cannot see. All this stuff you can read on her website. Literally just go to Etsy, link will be below. But overall, I got this scarf. This is the rhubarb head wrap. Really easy to put on. She has a video about it too, but I want to show you guys, so the second part of this video is going to be me just putting it on, because all in one, you can find everything you need here. And just watch this one. It'd be easier for you. Brought to you by... There's a Britney Spears poster over there. I'll show you later. That's who I was kissing, not you guys. Britney.
It's Britney, bitch.
Sorry, Britney, I'm talking to my friends. She gets a little aggressive, you know. You gotta put her in place. Overall, the quality of the material is here. Like I've said to you, I thoroughly enjoy this quality. And second part of really why I recommend this is because the look to it. Like I said earlier, you don't want to look like a 12-year-old girl. And this is somewhere between a yoga, hippie, hobo, Jack Sparrow kind of blend. And I thoroughly enjoy the look. I think that it is right on. The great debut of my luscious locks. Focus, composure, Tyler. Composure. Millions of viewers are watching you. Stop, guys, stop. Okay, now on to the second part of this video. I'm going to show you how to style a head wrap such as this. Pretty simple. Like I've said, she has a video, but might as well just watch it here. You're already watching. What I do is I take my hair and I get it ready for a bun. And now it's gonna be a... How do I say this? This bun is not gonna be at the crown, it's not gonna be at the nape, but it's gonna be somewhere in the middle, just so you can get that fabric wrapped around your head. So now when you got this bun, it's time to take the head wrap and put it wherever you want first. It's crucial to get a flat surface, in my opinion, on this part, because if you don't, it kind of looks not so good. Next step is you have it flat on your head, you have it where you want, and you go back, you do this, you just X over underneath the bun. Pretty easy. And now you have them like this. What I like to do is I grab the top of the fabric and I get it ready for another flat stretch. Now I'd be looking in a mirror so I'd really get it down. You guys saw in the intro in that first section how well it looked. And then now what you do is you take it and you wrap it around and you go down. I hope you can see this. Like that. And you do it the same with the other. And there you go, now it's tied. In conclusion, I wanted to make a nice head wrap video and I found Eco Shag. I love everything, I love the quality, and I love how it looks. So I appreciate that you stuck around until the end. Literally, if you're in the gym and you have stray away hairs, or if you're doing what you do and you're tired of it, Eco Shag head wraps are the way to go because it is so cool, it is so stylish, and it speaks volumes. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate the view. I appreciate you. I appreciate everything about you. God damn, man. If you have any tips or comments on this video, leave them in the comment section below. I love to hear from you guys. I literally do. I'm not lying here. I thoroughly enjoy it. It's what makes me happy. Hope you enjoy this. I will see you around. Enough of your time being taken up. Grow long hair, baby, because we don't care. I will see you. Boom, baby! That was so good, man! Look at this. Look at this. Yep. Word to your mother. Oh, I did promise you that I'd show you Brittany. So. Brittany, I am bringing friends over. I hope you enjoy it. Don't look at her yet. Stop looking. Gotta turn on the focus. You know, Brittany's in her Sunday best. Brittany!
It's Brittany, bitch.
Okay, here she goes, guys. Goddamn autofocus. Disrespecting Brittany like this. Ho 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 ho. Sorry, YouTube. Ho 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 ho. Sorry. That's all you get. That's all you guys get. So, god damn it. That's all you get. Quit taking Brittany away. I will see you next time around. Peace out.